soldier girl. So loud and sick and I want vision. She got me in my feelings. Listen, chill, what's your net worth? Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you always. And I'm down for you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the college dorm haul. So yeah, if you're new here, my name is Raven. On my channel we'll be doing I'll be doing college vlogs, inspirational videos, and anything entrepreneurship, because I am an entrepreneurship major. But I am going to be doing a get to know me tag so that you guys can get to know a little bit more about me. But I'm not going to make this intro long. Y'all know what y'all are here for, so let's just get into the video. A little bit about my room. First of all, my color schemes are black, gold, and white. A little bit of gray, not really. And my room is a 2-passenger, so I have 2 rooms. Each room is double everything, so double beds, double dressers, double chairs, double nightstands. I think that's it. And 1 bathroom inside the room. But since I'm the only person in the room, I have double everything to myself. So yeah, I can insert a picture of how my room was last year here. So yeah, but it's gonna be different this year, so make sure you're subscribed and you hit the bell so that y'all are notified when I upload my dorm tour. So yeah, let's just get started. So I'm gonna start with this just so I can get it out of the way. First thing I got is this Hamilton Beach oven, because our kitchen does not come with an oven. It comes with a microwave and a refrigerator. So yeah, I got my own little personal oven, and it's just this Hamilton Beach one. I'm pretty sure this is from Walmart, and I'm pretty sure it's probably anywhere between $20 and $30. I don't know. Yeah, it has 5 functions. It does broil, keep warm, bake, bagel, and toast. So yeah. So for my bedding, I have this simple black bedding. It is the Mainstays brand, and I got it in a full/queen because I used this last year because I put my 2 beds together. So yeah, it's just this really simple black bedding. It's not tufted or anything, it's just black. And I used this last year. It is my bed skirt, and it's the Mainstays brand as well from Walmart. My bedding was from Walmart as well, and I just got this in a size twin. It's just the simple plain black bed skirt. The next thing I got, these are used as well, of course they're washed and everything, is this Mainstays Walmart brand twin extra large pink sheets. These are gonna go underneath. I always use 2 sets of sheets on my bed. So yeah. And then I got this set of sheets. They are gray, and they're from the brand Alcove. Not sure where these are from or how much they were. My auntie ordered these online for me, and they are in size twin XL. So the next thing I got is this black king size duvet, and it is tufted. I think that's the design that this is. It's tufted, and it comes with a, sorry for the glare, it comes with a decorative pillow, 2 pillowcases, and the duvet. So yeah, and it's just black. And this, I'm not sure how much this was. I ordered this from Bed Bath & Beyond last year, and this is from the brand Chic. Yeah, and this is called Daya, D-A-Y-A, if you are looking for this on Bed Bath & Beyond. So the next thing, of course, this is used as well. I'm taking it back. This basic white pillow. It is the Certipedic brand, and it is in super firm. I also got this king size white Mainstays pillow from Walmart. Next thing I got is this back pillow, I guess you can call it, this back pillow. So yeah, it's just this black back pillow. I don't know if y'all can really see the design, but I just felt like it was really gonna go with my minimalistic. That's kind of the theme that I'm going for as well, a minimalistic theme. So, and it's really cute. I feel like it's really chic and it's gonna fit my theme really, really well. The first decorative pillow I have is this one. I've had this one since freshman year, so it's a little, you know. And it is in this black and white print, and it has like this little gold bubble on it, and it just says hello with a cute little exclamation point. So yeah, that's really cute. Next one I got is this one, this fluffy one. This was from Walmart because it is a Mainstays brand, but I'm not sure how much this was, but yeah, it's just this white, and then it goes into like this, I don't know, like this really light pink color. So yeah, almost like a rose gold color. So yeah, this is from Walmart. The next decorative pillow I got is this gold one, and it just looks like this. It has these little, I don't know what you would call these. Yeah, it just looks like this, and it's gold, and I got this from Ross for $8.99. The last decorative pillow I got is this really big white one. It's just furry or whatever, and this also was from Ross for $11.99. The next thing I got is this round tablecloth. It's just this basic black tablecloth. The print looks like this, and over the summer I used it for over the chair throw, but when I go back to my fall room, when I go back to my room this fall, I'm going to use this to cover the box, which is the box from my oven that my TV sits on. So I'm just going to use this to cover the oven box that my TV is going to be sitting on. The next thing that I got is this marble tapestry. I don't know if you guys can see it for real. I'm not going to take it out, so please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you can be notified when I upload my dorm room tour, so you can see how I hang this and how it looks. Yeah, I just got this from Amazon. I got it in the biggest size. It came in 2 different sizes, and whatever the biggest size was, that's what I ordered. And I think it was $15. It was either $14.99 or $15.99. So yeah. The next thing I got is this really cute throw pillow. It's just this white throw pillow from Target. It's the Room Essentials brand, and it has white stripes on it. I just thought this would be really aesthetically pleasing for my minimalistic look. So yeah. Oh, and it was $9.99. The next thing that I got from Target are these really cute succulent plants. So yeah, this one is a larger one, and the base of it is white, and it's just shaped like this, and it's like fake aloe vera. And this one was $14.99. And this is the smaller one. Not sure what kind of like fake plant this is, and it is gold. The base is gold around, and it's shaped the same way as the other one. And this one was $7.99. This is my TV. It is, I don't know how you say this, Sansui, I don't know, SANSUI. It's really small. I'm not sure the inch, because I don't really watch TV. I just keep it in my room basically to have something playing all the time, because I'm usually always on my computer. So YouTube is my television. I don't really watch TV until Bring It comes on Thursdays. So yeah. Next thing I got is this lamp, and this did come from Walmart. I'm not sure how much it was. It probably was anywhere between $10 and $15. So it's just a basic round black lampshade, and the body of it is gold, and you turn it on like this little button, and it also has a USB port. So this is how I charge my phone at nighttime. For shower stuff, I did take summer classes and I was driving back and forth, but I also got a room just in case over the summer. So I transferred my bathroom and my kitchen stuff to my new room because they gave me my fall room key when I left my summer room. So, but the new stuff that I always buy, well, the first thing is I always buy a new shower liner, and this is the Mainstays brand from Walmart. It's just a clear shower liner, and this was, I'm pretty sure this was $5 from Walmart. And I don't buy these all the time, but the room I stayed in for the summer was not very clean, and I just couldn't. So I got these clear shower rings, and I'm pretty sure these were like a few cents, so they probably added to like $1. The last thing I'm going to show you guys is what I have some of my clothes stored in. This is my suitcase. It's just this really cute marble suitcase, and it is from Calpac. I got myself this for Christmas last year. It was a gift to myself. So yeah, it's just this really cute marble print. I'm really into marble right now, and I'm in love with this suitcase. And this is the large one. It might not look large on screen, but this is the large one. And I got this in the 2-piece, so I got the large one and the small one, so I don't have the medium one. So actually, this is the last thing. I made this vision board. Quick view. Yeah, kind of personal. So I made this vision board at my mentoring event that I held with my new little mentee babies. So yeah, we made vision boards, and it's just a simple poster with cutouts from magazines, and the frame is from Hobby Lobby, and it was $15.99 if anyone wants to make a vision board. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I'm going to insert some clips of where I store my stuff in, how I pack my college stuff. I have 3 big bins. So right now I'm in the storage part of my house where we store stuff. It's where I store all my college stuff when I move back home. So I'm about to show y'all the stuff that I didn't have, that I wasn't about to carry upstairs for the video. So yeah. Okay, first of all, I'm sorry about this lighting, but as stated, these are the bins that I was talking about. I do also use this clothing basket just to store miscellaneous stuff underneath my bed. And these are the 2 large bins that I put stuff in. So I'm not sure what is in which one, but like in the top one, maybe I think this one is my bathroom stuff, cleaning stuff, anything that was underneath my bathroom sink, and the one on the bottom has all my room decor and any decor that goes on my desk and all that stuff. So this is the large bin that I use to put my clothes in. It's just this really big basic black bin. I'm sure I got this from Target, and I put all my clothes in, and I trash bag my clothes. So when I get to school, I just hang them up and I strip the trash bag off, and my clothes are hung. That's all I have for you guys today in this college dorm haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. So please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell so that you will be notified when I upload a video. And yeah, follow me around on the rest of my college journey, and that's all I have. So be you, be the real authentic you. You were created to be revealed, not concealed. And yeah, so yeah, click the bell so you never miss an upload from me. Bye guys.
One more chance.